Good morning, children. We were studying sequence markers. We studied the connectors of cause and effect, connectors of illustration, connectors of conclusion, and now we will study the connectors of opinion. Children, opinion means our thoughts or perceptions. That is what we think or what we believe. Children, it is understood that whenever we write anything, uh, first we write certain concepts and then certain facts, but at the last sometimes we need to mention our thoughts and perceptions also, and sometimes in the form of solutions. At that time the connectors of opinion become very important. So children, many a times when we write, we need to mention or express our own thoughts to make our write-up more analytical and relevant. Quoting our own ideas or perceptions or opinions, we can use these linkers or connectors to link the passage with our own thoughts. It is majorly used when we suggest measures or solutions. Children, I hope you all remember that whenever we write certain write-up whenever we do a certain write-up or whenever we attempt to write something related to a problem, at the last we are required to put some suggestions or solutions. Hope you remember. So children, at that time we need to join our entire paragraph with the solutions or the suggestions that we want to give. At that time these connectors of opinion become very important because they join both the things. They join the facts and concepts with our own thoughts, right? So you can see that in the center I have written opinion, and the meaning is that our own thoughts or perceptions. So there are various connectors of opinion. One is in my opinion, as far as I am concerned, in my view, as for me, as far as I understand, if I am not mistaken, I believe, as far as I know. Children, for example, we can take up a situation of corona crisis in the world. Suppose if you need to write something on the problem or the crisis of coronavirus, first you will be explaining the situation and the condition with all the facts and figures, but at the last you will be required to put your suggestions. Suppose when we explain everything like we did in the last paragraph that we did yesterday, that was like this, that no sooner did India hear about the spread of a deadly coronavirus than it took an action. It hurriedly closed all the schools, colleges, offices, malls, and all the public spaces. In its fight against corona, it declared lockdowns in 3 phrases, one after the other. So children, at the last we can write that I believe, or in my opinion, we will overcome this crisis very soon if we perceive courage and have patience, and at the same time we can cooperate with each other. At that time our fight against corona will become easier. You can connect this with this in my opinion, right? Like in my opinion, if we have courage and patience, we will be stronger in position against corona. Or you can write like in my view, we should keep courage and have patience against it. Or you can write that as far as I understand, this hard situation can also be fought if we have patience and courage along with the proper precautions. So children, I hope that you are already aware of these type of phrases generally used to connect the paragraph with the solutions that you put forth. Children, believe me, this is not difficult. The condition is that you have to go through it again and again, and every concept will be yours and in your command. Now children, we'll take up another connector of sequence. Children, sequence, you all know that sequence means order, or when we write something in a process like one after the other, at that time sequence markers become very important. Children, when we in explanation I have written that when we need to mention many points together, we generally take the help of these linkers, like linkers of sequence, which provide a proper flow to various points and set them in a sequence. Like these are firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, right? Next, later, afterwards, after that, sequentially, finally, eventually. All these are the markers of sequence or the linkers of sequence. Children, I think uh, this is very much used in science when we do experiments. I hope you are getting what I want to say. If you're doing any experiment, then you write firstly do this, secondly we have to take this step, thirdly we have to do that, and finally we do this, and we'll find a solution, or then we will come to an or then we'll come to a conclusion, right? At that time, these type of markers or these type of linkers of sequence become very much important. One silly example I want to give you all, that if you go in the kitchen and you are ready to make a tea for your parents, at that time, or you need to tell somebody about the recipe of tea, what will you do? You will say that firstly take water in a pan, then put some sugar, then put some salt, and finally you have to pour some milk into it. This way you will be able to uh, convey the recipe of tea to others. So children, whenever there is any process means chain of activities. Children, means there are means one work will be finished if you follow few steps. All right, first, second, third, fourth, and the final step. At that time, these type of markers become very important. Children, this is for the day. That's all for the day, and we'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, bye bye.